In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email broadcast campaigns with ConvertKit. We'll walk through the full process together, from choosing a template, to writing a clear message, to sending or scheduling your broadcast. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do each time you want to email your audience. First, log into your ConvertKit account. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and click on Send. From the drop-down that appears, choose Email Templates. In the top right corner, click on New Email Template. ConvertKit will now show you a variety of template options. You can narrow these down using the filters on the left side, depending on the style you want. When you find a template that feels right for your brand and message, click on it to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview of your email in the center or on the left, and all of your editing options in a sidebar on the right. This is where you customize the content. Start with the subject line, make it specific and benefit focused so your subscribers instantly understand what they'll gain by opening the email. Next, edit the preview text. This is the short line that appears next to or below the subject in many inboxes. Use it to support your subject and add a bit of curiosity, instead of just repeating the first sentence of your email. For the opening, write a short human introduction. You might reference a common problem your audience faces or share a brief story that leads naturally into your main point. Then, move into the main content. Keep it focused on one clear idea and explain that idea in a simple, practical way. Short, scannable paragraphs work very well here. Include a single, clear call to action, whether that's clicking a link, replying to the email, or checking out an offer. Too many different actions can dilute your results. When you close the email, end on an encouraging note or a simple reflection that leaves readers feeling supported. Finally, keep your signature and footer clean and professional, without unnecessary clutter. To make specific text edits, click directly on any text area and use the formatting toolbar that appears above it. If you want to adjust a block, like an image or button, click on that block and edit it using the options in the right sidebar. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish in the top right. When the page reloads, choose Send Email. This section lets you set the sending address, choose who will receive the broadcast, and add any filters or segments you want. You can also schedule the email for a future date and time if you don't want it to go out immediately, and add an internal note for your team or for your own records. When you are finished configuring these details, click Continue at the bottom right. A confirmation pop-up will appear with a final review of your broadcast. Look everything over one more time, and when it all looks good, click Send Email to launch your broadcast campaign.